Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, January 28th, 2016. Well, we have freezing temperatures throughout the northern mid-Atlantic, with temperatures ranging from the upper teens to mid-20s throughout the region, with light and variable winds. And this is very concerning because we had a lot of snow melt the past 2 days, so you have a lot of standing water and streams and just wet surfaces overall. And then you have these freezing temperatures. That's going to lead to some significant black ice throughout the entire northern mid-Atlantic. So please use some extreme caution when driving this morning. It's going to be a bit slippery out there, especially in your untreated roadways. Now, as far as the surface map overall, high pressure is exiting the region. Look for increasing clouds throughout the day today. We're going to have a very close call with a low pressure system that's developing in the eastern Gulf of Mexico and a cold front approaching from the western Great Lakes. These two storms are going to interact, but a little bit too late for an impact on the eastern United States. Very close call, but not close enough. As such, tomorrow we're just expecting scattered rain and snow showers rather than a significant snowfall, which could have been the result if this disturbance and this disturbance were interacting a little bit faster. And just not the right pattern for it. So on the radar right now we are high and dry, and on your infrared satellite picture you can see the two storms starting to develop, but again a bit too late to have any impact on the region, but very close call in terms of the potential for steady precipitation. The precipitation shield, or the snow shield, basically is going to remain just off the coast, possibly could impact portions of Cape Cod and around the eastern New England here, so we're going to watch that very carefully. But as far as the northern mid-Atlantic, it looks like a miss for the northern mid-Atlantic. Let's dive into the forecast. For this afternoon, look for increasing clouds, high temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s throughout the region. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for scattered cloud cover and increasing cloud cover, temperatures falling into the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows. And for tomorrow, that cold front will move through the region, a very close call for the region, but again, the majority of the steady precipitation remains off the coast. Look for high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. For Saturday, scattered cloud cover can be expected with low temperatures in the mid to upper 20s and high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. For the weekend, for the rest of the weekend, Sunday is going to be the mild day of the weekend, with temperatures jumping into the mid to upper 30s for lows and mid to upper 40s for highs. Any snowfall that's left is likely going to be melting quite a bit on Sunday, with temperatures above freezing throughout the entire day. For Monday, scattered cloud cover can be expected with the threat for a few widely scattered isolated showers. Look for lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Tuesday, there will be a threat for a few isolated showers, but for the most part, look for variable cloud cover, lows in the lower to mid 40s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. And on Wednesday, look for a significant rainfall event developing throughout the region, with rainfall amounts possibly up to about 1.5 inches, maybe even 2 inches of rain, depending on the speed of this cold front. Look for lows in the lower to mid 40s, highs in the lower to mid 50s, very mild for this time of year. But it doesn't last long. On Thursday, that cold front will blow through and temperatures will be falling through the 40s and 30s throughout the day, with slow clearing from west to east. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.